Hello my dear students, welcome to video lesson of St. Joseph's Academy, Mariam Nagar, Ghaziabad. Today our video lesson is for class 5th, subject mathematics, and our topic will be rounding numbers. So students, rounding numbers can be done for every place value of a number. If we purchase anything and if it cost is 12 rupees, so the cost can be rounded up to its nearest 12. Okay. Similarly, any number is taken to its nearest convenient whole number. As 48 is nearer to 50 than 40, so 48 may be rounded up to 50. So this is called rounding of the number. In the process of rounding of a number, it is taken to its closest whole number. Now let's do exercise 11A. But before that, you should learn some rules. So first question is round off to the nearest 10. We have to round off the number to the nearest 10. So for this, first rule is, or you can say that first step for rounding off the numbers is that the rounding place is the tens place. So we have to look at the digit on its right place. And the digit on its right will be the ones place. Next step is, if the digit at the ones place is greater than or equal to 5. If the digit at the ones place is greater than or equal to 5, we will add 1 to the digit at the rounding place, or else do not change the digit at rounding place. And after that, we have to replace all digits the right of the rounding place by zeros. We have to put 0. So our first question, part A, is 42. As we can see that we have to round it off to the nearest 10. So the number in tens place is 4. So if we want to round it off, what we have to do is, we will have to see on its right. And as we can see, on its right in ones place we are having 2. As 2 is less than 5, so we will not do any change in the tens place. So 4 will remain 4 as well in tens place. So our rounded off, whenever we are doing the rounding off, our answer will be 40. And we all know that we have to put a 0 in the ones place. Similarly, part B, 59, as we can see that digit in tens place is 5, and for rounding it off, we will see to its right, it's 9. So 9 is greater than 5. So yes, we will increase the number or the digit in tens place by 1. So now if we will add 1 to 5, it will be 6. And in ones place, it will be 0. So it is rounding off to 60. Part C, 135. Again, in tens place we are having 3. So to round it off to the nearest 10, we will see to its right. Right, we are having 5. So we will add 2, 3. So now we are having 140. Part D, 963. Here also in tens place we are having 6. And if we will see right, we will see to its right, we will see 3. So 3 is smaller than 5. So we will do no change. So our answer will be 960. Question number 2, round off the nearest 100. So for solving this question, we will have to follow this steps which are little bit similar to the nearest 10. So the rounding place in the hundreds place we will have to see. So first for that we will look at the digit on its right, it will be tens place, and if the digit at the tens place is greater than or equal to 5, we will add 1 to the digit at the rounding place, otherwise no change. So part A is 260. The digit in the hundreds place is 2. So if we will see to its right, we are having 6 and 6 is greater than 5. So yes, we can increase the number in hundreds place by 1. So we are having 300. Then rest of the digits will be replaced by 0. Part B, 752. Here, if we will see the digit in hundreds place, we are having 7. So the number to the right of it is 5. So we will increase it by 1. So our answer will be 800. Part C, 1892. 1892. Now for rounding it off to the nearest 100, as we can see the digit in hundreds place is 8. So we will see to its right we are having 9, which is greater than 5. So yes, we can add 1 to the hundreds place. So 1900. In tens and ones place we will put 0. Part D, 2578. Here hundreds place is having 5 and its right is having 7, which is greater than 5. So we can increase the digit in hundreds place by 1. So now we are having 2600. Clear? 2600. Question number 3, round off to the nearest 1000. So for this, first we will see the rounding place is thousands place. So we will look at the digit on its right, that will be hundreds place. And if the digit at the hundreds place is greater than or equal to 5, we will add 1 to the digit at the rounding place. And if not, so we will not do any change in the digit at rounding place. So A part is 5845. 5845. Here students, if you will see, the digit in thousands place is 5, and if we will look to its right, it is 8, which is greater than 5. Okay, so now we can add a 1 to thousands place. Now we will be having 6000. Part B, 6498. In thousands place we are having 6, but if we will look to its right, in hundreds place we will see 4, and 4 is smaller than 5, so we will not do any change. So our answer will be 6000. Part C, 18552. Here in thousands place we are having 8, and to its right it is 5. So yes, we can increase one number in thousands place. So our final answer will be 19,000. Part D, 77,497. 77,497. Here in thousands place we are having 7, and if we will look to its right we are having 4, which is less than 5. So we will not do any change in thousands place, and rest of the number to its right will be zeros. They will be replaced by 0. So 77,000. Clear? Now I hope students, you might have understood rounding of numbers, this concept clearly. So for homework, you will have to do the rest of the parts of question number 1, 2 and 3, that are part F, G and H in your textbook. Also, please try to solve question number 4 and 5 in your rough notebook. That's all for now, students. Thank you.